Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Wednesday everyone. We're almost to the weekend, of course. My weekend does not start until I get off on Saturday, but we're almost there. So what I wanted to do in this video is pretty much do a basic check-in. So I did get paid last Wednesday. Let's see how much money I spent and let's see how much money I have left. Y'all, you just don't know. It feels so good. When I say it feels so good, that just means that it feels so good not having to worry about those credit card payments. I've been keeping track of everything. Every time I swipe, pay in cash, I've been keeping up with it. So let's go ahead and do a check-in, and I know that this video is not going to be long at all. And this is what the other small sticker says. Remember this, dear. If you play small, you stay small. So there you go. Let's talk about my check-in. Hopefully this is recording properly. I have to remember when I put my phone on the stand that it does rotate the video. So let's go ahead and get started. So for grocery, we did start out with $220. Let's talk about what was spent. So, and I'll just use this. And what kind of cuticle oil you all use? So we're starting out with Walmart. I did go to Walmart. I spent $87.01. I ended up with $132.99 left. And I forgot to put the dates down, which I can add those to the video. So I'll add the dates into the video. Next, we have Subway. Went to Subway, spent $11.18 in cash, and I did take that from grocery. When I sent the money to my credit card, instead of me sending $11.18, I sent $11 and some change. So for grocery, hold on. And of course, if you hear Jasmine snoring, she's sleeping. Okay, I'm back. So I did send $11 and some extra change to cover the amount that I spent at Subway. And for cash, I should have wrote card, but I did use my credit card to pay for it. I did already send the money back. Next, we have gas. I did pay with my card. I used Upside application, and I think I got 39 or 49 cents back for cash back. And I think altogether for this year so far, or whenever I last cashed out, I have $12 and some change. So for gas, I should have $48.66, but I'm not worried about that change, so just $48 will do. Next, I spent $2 at the discount store. Yes, $2. And I should have $28 for miscellaneous. And I know this is going to be short, but let's go ahead and calculate. Well, not calculate, but what am I doing? Adding everything up. So for miscellaneous, I should have $28. 25, 26, 27, 28 bucks. Here is everything for grocery. I should have $122. So I do have $100 online in that account. And this amount right here should be $22 altogether. So let's count. $10, $20, $21, $22. Next, we have gas. Gas should have $48 in total. So we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, $48. And let me put that up. So I got all of my envelopes back in. Was able to go through them properly to count them. Now we just have to see how next week is going to go when it comes to everything. That way I can have a great closeout. I do need to go to the store. I need just some biscuits and maybe a few other things. I need to get some fruit, some biscuits. I have a list, y'all. So we'll go to the store sometime today, if not tomorrow. And let's do this here. Last but not least, let's talk about the Blessed Ladies collab part 2. So in this collab for part 2, we have Blessed Budgets by Abigail. Her birthday isn't until May, which is May 1st. Next, we have Miss Onyx, which is Cash Stuffing with Onyx. Her birthday is April the 10th. Next, we have Hop Into Budget with Bonnie. I was about to just say 53. 532. Her birthday is May 13th. We have Trina over at Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget. Her birthday is April the 16th. We have Save with Judy. She just had a birthday on January the 3rd. We have Vita's Budget. Her birthday is October the 15th. And we have me. My birthday is on the 23rd. You know, big Aquarius. But I still don't know what I want to do for my birthday. At one point, they were talking about snow, but I'm pretty sure we're not going to get anything at all. So if you want to download this, go ahead. It is below. And I want to save this money for the 15th. And I did have a pencil here. Let me find it. Okay, so I can't find the pen that I was using, but I'll find it once I move everything around. So this is the rollover money that I had from the previous paycheck from December. And I still have it. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my wallet. I'm going to take $3 from one of the cash envelopes, or take $1 from 3 cash envelopes to equal up to $15. So I do want to save that. And I will go ahead and mark it down for January the 15th. And we'll see how much money on the 30th or by the 30th that I can come up with to save. So other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out some of my previous videos, which I will have them linked in the cards above. But thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.